The nation has high hopes from Divya Deshmukh in her next chess move, said the Chief Justice of India Suryakant on Monday. He was speaking at a grand ceremony held in the national capital, New Delhi, where India's women chess grandmaster Divya Deshmukh was conferred with the Dynamite News Young India Country Award. CGI Suryakant said, "This is a matter of pride for all of us. Divya has brought glory to the country. The entire nation is waiting for her next achievement."
No, it's a matter of great pride and honor for every Indian citizen that these children have brought so much laurel to the nation. And Divya's achievement is simply outstanding. I'm also proud of, and I really congratulate the jury with such an objectivity. They picked up the best of the three performers on the globe on behalf of India. And well, two you have already awarded them, and Divya has really brought honor to the country because the game of chess is something which really requires a lot of brainstorming, the sessions. And at the age of maybe not even 20, her achievement is something remarkable and unparalleled. All that on the initiative which Dynamite has taken, I really congratulate the entire team of Dynamite also for this initiative. This is how we must encourage our sports persons and do our best to create that environment where they can give their best to the nation in terms of performance. All the best wishes to Divya, and keep it up. And the entire nation is looking towards you for your next achievements.
The Chief Justice also hailed the Dynamite News Award jury for selecting young talents from various fields. Former Secretary to the President of India and senior IAS Sanjay Kothari was present at the event as the special guest. He praised Divya Deshmukh's remarkable achievement in the world of chess. Kothari also congratulated Divya's parents, Dr. Namrata and Dr. Jitendra Deshmukh, for constantly encouraging their daughter and supporting at every step of her journey.
मैं इनके अतिरिक्त इनके पेरेंट्स की भी बहुत सराहना करता हूँ कि इन्होंने इतना उनको ऊपर उठाया है एंड पूरा देश देख रहा है कि आगे क्या होना है और बड़ी उत्सुकता से देख रहा है.
Earlier, Dynamite News chairperson Rani Tibrewal welcomed CGI Suryakant by presenting him with a bouquet. Dynamite News editor-in-chief Manoj Tibrewal Akash expressed gratitude to the Chief Justice for presenting the Young India Country Award to Divya Deshmukh. After receiving the award, Divya Deshmukh said, "It is a matter of great pride for me that the Dynamite News Award jury has selected me for this prestigious award. At this stage of my career, this honor will motivate me to perform even better in the future."
आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल दैट मुझे यंग इंडिया कंट्री अवार्ड मिला एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ ऑल दैट सर के हाथों से मिला, सो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी ऑनर की चीज़ है एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
The four-member jury for the Dynamite News Young India Country Award included Justice Ranjana Desai, Sanjay Kothari, Professor Chinmaya Pandya, and Dr. M.C. Mishra. The jury had selected three talents, Manu Bhakar, Ruma Devi, and Divya Deshmukh for the award. Each award carries a citation, a memento, a shawl, and a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh. Manu Bhakar and Ruma Devi were earlier honored by Union Minister for Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal, former Chief Justice of India Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, and Supreme Court Judge Justice Rajesh Bindal. Bureau Report, Dynamite News, New Delhi.